In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images and your logo clickable in a Mailchimp email campaign using the Optimize tool. First, go to Campaigns. From your dashboard, open Campaigns in the main navigation to see your list of email campaigns. Next, open your email campaign by clicking your draft email, for example, your blog subscription newsletter. This takes you right into the email editor. Inside the editor, look at the left side menu and click Optimize. This section scans your email and looks for quick improvements you can apply with one click. Mailchimp will show suggestions such as make images clickable and add link to logo. These suggestions are designed to improve engagement and make your content easier to navigate. For each suggestion, you'll see two options: apply or skip. Apply makes the change immediately. Skip leaves things as they are if you prefer to handle it manually later. To make images clickable, choose Apply on the Make Images Clickable suggestion. Mailchimp will automatically add a link to each image in your email. By default, those image links point to your website's homepage, which is a solid catch-all destination. If your strategy calls for a specific landing page, you can edit any image block later and change the link to a more targeted URL. Now, do the same for your logo. Click Apply on Add Link to Logo. Your logo becomes a clickable element that takes readers to your website. This is a best practice because many subscribers instinctively click a logo to get back to your site. Once those changes are applied, check your email preview. Confirm that your images and logo are now clickable. Hover over each image to see the link indicator and make sure it points where you expect. If you spot an image that should link to a different page, open that image block and update the URL so it matches the content you're promoting. A few quick tips as you review. Keep links relevant to the image or section to reduce friction. Use UTM parameters if you need to track performance in analytics, and avoid linking images that contain essential instructions. Include a nearby text link as well for accessibility. That's it. Using Optimize, you've made your images and logo clickable in just a few clicks, improving navigation and potentially boosting click-throughs without rebuilding your design. When you're satisfied with the preview, you're ready to move on with the rest of your campaign workflow.